So we're gonna tie back our hair with our turtle scrunchie. Using this mirror is crazy because honestly I can't even see myself. Anyway, I'm canceling my world domination plans. I think I'm just gonna go get a drink with somebody. Welcome to Divine Mix. You already know what it is. First part as always, makeup. Followed by hair. But let's focus on our makeup first. So we're gonna tie back our hair with our turtle scrunchie. Looking fine. You see how my skin tone matches the wall behind me, guys? Isn't it amazing? All right. Now, your oil, you rub that on your face. That's just for hydration and menstruation for all our female friends out there. Okay, you gotta hit around the edges and see, you know where the rest is going. All right, hit that neck. You gotta try to avoid those wrinkles, guys. And now we're pristine, clean, and looking 16. Okay, now we're gonna put back Rihanna's stuff and go grab for Kylie Jenner's face palette from 2020. All right, microphone brush. Okay, microphone and Rihanna. They go together, like ASAP and Rihanna. All right, now we're gonna put this fake skin tone that we wanted to be, but can't get. We're just gonna blend that in, so it look a little bit more orange. Shouts out to our Republicans. And here we go. Red and rosy. And, well, orange like the sun. I'm not making reference to the sun because I'm Japanese. That's just racist if you guys thought I was Japanese. I'm Filipino and Asian. Oh, adobo. No, actually, something else by Fenty. Okay, all right. And now we apply the turtle's skin serum so that we're hard, super hard, armored shell hard, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles hard. All right, we keep hitting it. Okay, now we're done with the turtle armor. Now we're gonna go for the master shredder, which is also microphone brush. Great, great. I think we're making progress, guys. Right, absolutely. Now we have our palettes out, and now we're looking like the rainbow. Shouts out to our LGBTQ plus ABCs. The A stands for asexuals, by the way. Oh, the B was already in there. C is for Cancun, where most of my LGBT people, Q people go for spring break. All right, and now light skin brush applied to Ivy, Poison Ivy Green from Batman. I'm Batman.
The LGBTQ jokes I might have to block.
Why?
They don't want it.
But we like them. Just like Lady Gaga says, bless the Pope and bless the gays. And here we go again. Applying the blue. What do you think blue and brown makes? Let me tell you. A Filipino. Remember, guys, blue and yellow makes it more yellow. I mean, mellow. Okay, now we put down our keyboard. Now you apply your blue brush around the edges of your eyes so you can look like a mutated cat of some sort. Meow. And now that I have my face shield out, COVID will not be applied. We're almost there, guys. You haven't even seen my final form. Shout out to the jazz players. We love the blues. You get it? Because I'm using blue eyeshadow. Using this mirror is crazy because honestly, I can't even see myself. My eyesight's terrible. I bump into objects on a regular basis, but one thing that I don't bump is my face. Have you seen my skin? Amazing. I know some of my viewers might see that mark on my arm. I blame that on Jamaica. Our national bird here are mosquitoes, not eagles. Shout out to Texas. I'm not sure if eagles are there, but it sounds like something that a Texas person would have inside their house. Go Longhorns. How about them Cowboys? Okay, now that I look like a malformed raccoon, we're gonna try to wrap this up. And now the ocean, that's the most important thing. Shouts out to my best friend, Emperor Gatsby, who has a company named Ocean Homes Limited. And blew you and blew you too. I don't know the words, but I know that blue goes in it. I was running around town with the blue I knew when I. Okay, guys, we're moving on to the next step. We're going to close our keyboard once again. And right back to microphone bush because you're going to hear me sing. Ooh. Shout out to Lyanna Stark. She too was a blue rose of winter because I'm from New York, which is up north. Shouts out to my northeastern people, aside from the Bronx. We don't rent the Bronx. Alright, guys, have my keyboard out again. And guess which color we're going for? I'm not sure either. Corner of eye black. Let's go. Alright, guys. The Cheshire Cat has nothing on me. I glow. Now that we have our Sharpie, we're going to draw around the edges. Just like kindergarten. Remember? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, I left my man at the door. 5, 6, he was a trick. 7, 8, he was always late. 9, 10, I'm still gonna date him again. That was a freestyle. Bars. Emperor Gatsby, where the cash be. Oh, sorry, guys. Moving on up to the east side, moving on up. And I finally got my eyeliner applied. Moving on up to the east side, moving on up. And I finally got my eyes to blend with the blue sky. My God, this takes long. May we stay ever vigilant, because I've been staring myself for hours now. It's obvious I don't trust myself. Look at me looking at all my problems in the world. I am the problem. Shouts out Taylor Swift. Oh, shit. Oh, sorry, guys. That's my back. Okay, now we put up our keyboard again because we've already passed all the other musicians. Shout out to MJ. You're next. Okay, now we get it back our keyboard because one Rihanna is not enough. We could use two. Because the other one's not releasing any more music. Did you guys hear about that Indian guy who got her? I'm so jealous. Slumdog Millionaire. I should be here. And I love curry chicken tikka masala. I know their national dish is the river water from the Times. We love them though. It's a secret ingredient in all their roti. That's right. Let me hit my happy dance real quick. Shouts out to Drip Report. Moonlight, spotlight. My Indian brothers. Looking like a cat complete. Meow. Okay, in the comments. Fish tacos versus Chipotle burrito bowls. I'm more partial to fried rice, but we all know that's French food. Now, raise your mascara brush if you believe pineapples belong on pizza. And now put that mascara brush, if you have your hands up, directly into your eye. Because that's what you deserve. Unless you're from Canada. Alright, now that we have our matcha tea bowl out and we're pressed it down, we're ready to brew our makeup brush again. It's like it never ends. You see I've highlighted my cheekbones? Now, This gold that was taken from a calf's stomach from Africa, very, very valuable. It might look like this is from a commercial place. However, that's actually the bile of a stomach duck. It burns a little, but you can't tell. That's the reason why my cheeks are a little red. It's so hard working with these foreign products. Anyway, let's get down. Ooh, looking like milk and honey. And I hope that my man, when I get him, has money. Okay, now we get the push pop out and we apply it to our face because we're trying to catch all the honey zaddies out in Miami. I'm sorry, sexy right? I know that you just gave birth. Shouldn't justify you like that. But if you're ever interested, give me a call. And I'm speaking for Emperor Gatsby. Okay, now we brush where our mustache would be if I was born a boy like my mom wanted. Instead, I have breasts.
I have to cut that out.
Instead, I have chest. And now we apply the Moulin Rouge. Ooh, ooh. Shout out to Paris, France. Napoleon, you're a king. A short king, though. Do you know that my ancestry traces all the way back to France when the first Frenchmen thought about conquering my country? That's what it all started. There's a French dude that traveled all the way to Spain. So, you know what would be cool? If we had more of you guys on the other side of the world. And then boom. Conquistadors. Okay, all right. Now my history lessons are done. We're going to move on to the last and final part. My plan to take over the world, starting with Jamaica. That's how we pronounce it in the Philippines. Okay, as soon as I'm done lining out my eyebrows with this brush, I'm going to make a towards our prime minister, which is the version of the president in the United States. I will tell him, unless he removes himself from power and places me in power. I'm sorry, I'm getting a call from the FBI. Just one moment. Uh-huh. Okay. What? So not on YouTube, so that means I can do it off of YouTube? Oh, federal prison time. Okay, understood. You have a great day. Anyway, I'm canceling my world domination plans. I think I'm just gonna go get a drink with somebody. That's real quick. Anyway, you've been blessed. I've been here, and I've been DivineMixx. You have a wonderful day. DivineMixx. All in the mix. And now stick around for part 2. Here. Bye-bye.